So friends, new day and new tablet me on the table is Cubot Tab 20 tablet, which is probably the most simple now, which can only order from China with the simplest characteristics, but at the same time one of the most inexpensive tablets inexpensive. But the model is new and in principle now still up to date. So delivered here such a white box written on the back of his main specifications. It 13 Android, it Unisoc processor SC9863A, this octa-core. But its minus is that everything, its core is Cortex A55, that is no powerful cores 7576, all cores energy efficient 64 GB memory 4 GB RAM, 10.1-inch HD plus IPS resolution screen. And such a small resolution. Another 1280 by 800 HD plus for this big screen is not enough support for flash drives up to 25/6 gigs type. C front camera connector, 5-megapixel rear camera 13 battery 6000. That is how you see the characteristics. Well, it's very strong, simple, unpretentious little memory resolution means processor. So mediocre _ minimum wage here. In fact, this is a tablet on minimal wages in the 23rd year. So see, what's in the kit, but in bundled already. How the Chinese love to eat here such a stand such as such case that transforms into what and what cannot be put. And like this, probably like this. Like this, it is put. Casebook is already included. Power supply is not fast-charging 10-watt cable USB type. C-wired earphones 3 with 0.5 millimeter, by the way. They can use not only with the tablet and more with something like that plastic headphones on the ears look like Apple software. Its shape is very, very strong. There is also a paper clip to open the SIM tray documentation here. A bunch of different pieces of paper. Let's take a closer look at it. Take it off this case. I have a tablet in such a dark gray color. Wet asphalt color. Beautiful matte back cover along the way. It's plastic. Something doesn't look like some metal, though. No, it's probably still metal because what is this part of the plastic? She's slightly different here is this part where antennas. All she plastic camera unit block type. Yes, consisting of 2 modules. Although this is a fake module here, it's just some red dot type for quantity, apparently no this indication about that. The tablet can shoot video camera normal flash top button, enable microphone volume control C speaker charging connector speaker. So in here we have no here. No speakers but speakers unilateral. One-way directed Cubot logo Shenzhen made in China on the screen. The film under it should still be 1. Yes, it really is remove the bottom leave. So well, and this is what it looks like when turned off condition has a headphone, jack 3.5 mm strange if it weren't there because that there are headphones just with this exit and SIM tray. So now check out 7, the tray can certainly be put there. And SIM card and flash drive, you can definitely use a flash drive put there. It was written that does it support flash drives, flash drive here may be just what you need because the internal memory is 64 GB may not be enough. So, yes, here is a combo tray or 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a flash drive. You can install, turn on the tablet, squeeze the button inclusion, and I'm waiting for it to start the box. Buy, you can clean up. Yes, the most, such a simple tablet, which can now be imagined nothing is easier now. So guys, here's a tablet and started. What can I say, of course, if you look closely, the pixels are pretty. The screen resolution is not the most noticeable here high. I now set the highest brightness, maximum brightness here by essentially pure Android. Everything is very simple, primitive. No add-on shells, just a minimal set apps comes from the Google Box application and all. And such built-in apps like calculator there calls camera. In general at minimum wages. Yes, and also there is Play Market without it. Nowhere cool widget like this large clock has already been installed too. By shell means here we have Android version 13 tab 30. So where does it say here it is RAM 4 GB volume RAM version Android 13, such a tablet, in fact, it's pretty big tablet, 10 inches. But this considered large size, not small but not very big. There are tablets of 12 generally inches. And so 8 to 64, what do we have here? And here we have a processor, like me already said, probably the simplest, most cheap 8-core, which is now the manufacturer can only set. This old Unisoc, not even Tiger SC9863 octa-core, but only frequency 1600 and all Cortex cores a 55. That's what it is. I'll show you a minus here now. How much is gaining a little completely power? GE 8322 is a video accelerator multi-touch. Just NFC module is not here. Memory speed eMMC 51 here is the throttling chart, throttling either. And of course Antutu 100,000 points, just then me tested it back in Antutu Lite Antutu usually, but for some reason it didn't start me. But Lite is a light version just for weak devices. so I put it means GTA San Andreas set PUBG Mobile me, something game installed. Something says download error. Livic Map still couldn't download it. Everything is fine, you can play, but the graphics too. See pixels. Pixels screen resolution is the smallest, and graphics settings are also not the highest. We are worth screen setting. Graphics primitive have volume control auto screen off adjust. How long will it take occur? Dark theme enable change the scale of the texts. Make it a little more, there is an eye protection mode, color temperature changes, standard high contrast color reproduction can be adjusted, but there is no frequency control here. There is a screen here, standard 60 Hz. Now let's check out the super cameras. Let's super camera. So see what the application looks like, start. This is what it actually looks like. Little camera app slows down, there is a photo video mode, is slow motion video mode. Shooting 3 modes are the most such common. They think probably there is HDR. There is a flash on the rear camera. Different filters pre-installed can be applied like this. Minimal gentleman set here. There is, the tablet shoots video on the back camera. Full HD 30 FPS sounding. Let's check, I have now set maximum sound volume here. 2 stereo speakers. But it is like semi-stereo. I wouldn't say it's straight full-fledged powerful. So high, let's listen, this is how it sounds. Speaker 1, speaker 2, a little louder than a standard phone sounds. Well, that's a speaker here too. Somewhere around 4, and that, guys? What can I say about Cubot Tablet Tab 20 is probably the most primitive, most simple tablet which is now only possible. Imagine 23, he has everything simple, but at the same time it works. It has a communication module, use SIM card, insert SIM card to use mobile internet. There is Wi-Fi, everything works fine, screen unpretentious but large 10-inch. To there is, if you play some simple games for a child to buy cartoons, watch videos on YouTube. Well, such an inexpensive regular tablet that it will not be too bad if there is somewhere it will break. It will be filled with water. It doesn't matter. Sorry. Well, not so much. How is the tablet for $350? $450, for example. So here, such a super simple, super budget tablet, Tab 20 link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck, everyone. Bye.